How to fix OnStream app not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for OnStream and make sure that the OnStream application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then you can simply update the app. As if you do not have the updated version of the app, then the app might not perform to its fullest. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then open settings and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, scroll down and navigate to the OnStream application and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will free up storage used by the app and will keep its documents and data safe. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then in iPhone storage tab itself, make sure that your iPhone has enough storage space, as if the storage space is not enough, then the apps might face glitches and might not perform to its fullest. See if that helps, and if not, then in general tab, tap on the software update option you see there and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your iPhone, as an outdated version might result in app glitches. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then in settings again tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. and And just in case, if you were connected to mobile data, then tap on the cellular option you see there and further scroll down to cellular data tab. Here, tap on the show all option and make sure the toggle button for OnStream is enabled, and if not, then enable the toggle button for OnStream. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the OnStream application you see there, and further tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app. Here, tap on delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and reinstall the OnStream application again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for OnStream server status and make sure that the server for OnStream is working and is not down, as just in case if the server is down, then you will simply have to wait for the server to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix OnStream app not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.